Well, hello and welcome all you wonderful people out there in YouTube land to the Texas Special YouTube channel. To start off this October 2025 unboxing video, of course, we're going to lead into it with the in-scale reviews. So, to kick off things, we have this gorgeous Atlas 50-foot Baltimore and Ohio stock car. Next up on deck is going to be this Deluxe Innovations Atlantic Coastline 2-bay covered hopper car. And the final in-scale review for October of 2025 will be this Atlas, blank for a second, Burlington Northern 50-foot mechanical reefer. These will be the in-scale product reviews for the month of October, and of course this is the order in which they will be featured, starting with the stock car. For the HO scale portion of this October 2025 product review, the second Saturday of the month, we will be looking at this lifelike 50-foot Thrall all-door boxcar, lettered for Legume or Lignum, something like that. Yeah. 6 a.m. second Saturday of the month. The third Saturday of the month, we will be taking a look at this Walthers 50-foot Walthers insulated 50-foot boxcar, lettered for the Denver and Rio Grande Western. This is a second-hand acquisition. As you can see, it comes to the railroad weathered. This was purchased specifically for the Ducey's Foods on the Stars Hollow Railroad. This guy here was purchased specifically for the Clayton County Lumber Company. So this will be the third Saturday of the month of May at 6 in the morning is when this one will publish. And here we have a special item. Now it's not really like, oh my god, it's rare special. It's just, I thought it was a cool car. I don't have a use for it on the railroad. I've always kind of wanted one of these. I was really wanting to get one in O scale first, so I did. And I've been really wanting to get one of these in HO, and eventually I plan to get one of these in N scale. So, what is this? Well, this is a Walthers Detroit, Toledo, and Ironton cushion coil car. Now, when new, this was originally a kit car that you had to put together. I was able to pick this up secondhand from Papa Ben's in Houston, and it is assembled. It does have knuckle couplers, and it's a pretty cool little car. So yes, I really like coil cars, and unfortunately I don't really have a use for them on any of the railroads that I run on, but hey, that's fine. You know, this will be the final HO scale product review for the month of May. It will be the fourth Saturday of May at 6 o'clock in the morning. For the O gauge portion of this October 2025 unboxing video, we see the second weekend of the month we'll have this Lionel United States Army single dome O27 tank car. The third weekend of the month and second O gauge review will be this Atlas O 40-foot Southern Pacific flat car with automobile load. And the third and final O gauge product review for the month of October 2025, which will be the fourth weekend of the month, is this MTH Sclair polyethylene 4-dome cylindrical hopper car. This is a premier item, so this is a scale item. Your October O gauge and O scale product reviews. I thank y'all for watching. I hope you look forward to the reviews. As usual, it will be in scale on Friday morning at 6 a.m., HO scale Saturday morning 6 a.m., and these O scale and O gauge beauties at 6 in the morning on Sunday.